the shop. We go in here and sand down this engine bay and get it ready for paint.
Alright, so right now we're gonna mix his paint. We're going at it, boy. Look at it.
Oh, no one's ever really seen this.
They haven't.
They haven't.
They don't know. They don't know, but they can get a glimpse. Damn, that looks like somebody pooped. Anyway.
Ouch.
I'm just kidding. That looks fire. Look at that, guys. That looks fire.
And is this never been opened?
That's wine, by the way.
Oh, whoa.
We're gonna mix it just a little bit for his engine bay, alright? Use the plastic thing, bro.
Plastic thing.
So the paint doesn't spill everywhere. The thing your dad was using yesterday.
The one that still has primer on it?
Yeah. Right here. The primer's dry, so it'll be okay. Dang, bro, what Pokemon are you catching?
Let's take a quick look at this. As is. Here's the red and the purple.
Let's see what it looks like now.
So the red overtakes it, like a lot.
So you don't need to add a lot of red.
Don't really get that.
Oh, never mind, bro. That red looks fire. Look at that, guys.
Oh, let's add some color. Oh, I can't.
While Jeremiah's doing final prep stages, I'm gonna go ahead and reduce the paint and get this ready to go. Alright, next. While Jeremiah's not looking, I'm gonna add a little flavor to it. See them hues in there? Here it is. We found these pieces above the office in the shop. He had up there. He didn't remember. So I had to go back and do them over. Well, sand them down, seal them, and try the paint match, which didn't work out. So the paint went darker than what we originally had. And then I added some ghost pearl into the clear coat, which is the effect, the blue effect you're getting. All right. If anybody wants to know, just hit me up in the comments and I'll tell you exactly where to get it. You get them in grams in the bags anyway. But hey, I appreciate you guys. Stick with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys love how it turned out. And he loves it. So, hey, appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Always coming back. Help me get the views up. Those of you subscribing, those of you order merchandise from the channel, I appreciate it so much. You are helping me out immensely. You have no idea how much. Hey, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Talking Designs. I'm going to bed.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring